Okay, sorry, that video ended. I had to stop. This should be the last one. So cotangent x plus y equal, we're trying to verify this, equals cotangent x cotangent y minus 1 plus cotangent x, or over cotangent x plus cotangent y. So we have a formula for tangent, but we don't have a formula for cotangent. So cotangent, we're going to start with the left, obviously. Cotangent x plus y is going to equal 1 over tangent x plus y. Right? So cotangent is 1 over tangent, so cotangent x plus y is going to be 1 over tangent x plus y. So we can use the tangent plus formula. So I have 1 over tangent x plus tangent y over, this is our big divided by, right? It's 1 over that, over 1 minus tangent x tangent y. All right, so instead of writing 1 over all that, let's just flip it. So you have 1 minus tangent x tangent y divided by tangent x plus tangent y. So looking at our answer, we're trying to get cotangent for our answer. So we can write everything in terms of cotangent if we want, or we can go into sines and cosines and then try to get cotangent at the end after we do all that. I think I'm going to go ahead and go into cotangents and try it that way. Remember, when you're doing verifications, you just want to try something. So even if you don't know exactly what to do, kind of look at it. I'm looking over here. This is what I want my answer to end up being. So I need to get it there. So I'm going to try going into cotangents and see if that works. And then if it doesn't, I'll scratch it out and start it again. So everything can be written in terms of cotangent. So 1 minus 1 over cotangent x cotangent y, right? So tangent is just 1 over cotangent, divided by 1 over cotangent x plus 1 over cotangent y. Okay, so I have all these fractions that I need to deal with. I want it to be just one fraction, so common denominator for everything. So on the numerator, you have cotangent x, cotangent y, over cotangent x, cotangent y, minus 1 over cotangent x, cotangent y. All of that over cotangent y times cotangent x, cotangent y, plus cotangent x over cotangent x, cotangent y. All right, so this looks good because everything has the denominator of cotangent x, cotangent y. So that's positive, right? Then we're going to combine everything into one fraction. So cotangent x, cotangent y, minus 1 over cotangent x, cotangent y. All of that over cotangent y plus cotangent x over cotangent x, cotangent y. Flip the denominator and multiply. So we get cotangent x, cotangent y minus 1 over cotangent x, cotangent y times cotangent x, cotangent y over cotangent y plus cotangent x. These will cancel. And looking back at what we wanted to get for our answer, we wanted cotangent x, cotangent y minus 1 over cotangent x plus cotangent y. So if we look at that, that's what we have. We just need to rearrange it. So you have cotangent x, cotangent y minus 1 over, and I'm going to write this in the other order, right? You're adding, so you can do that. So you get that cotangent x plus cotangent y. And then we are proven. All right, so this last one, hopefully we can get this done in the next 6 minutes because that's all I have left in the recording. But if not, we'll have to just start it again. Or actually, here, I'm going to stop this one. This is the end, and then I'm going to prove this other one on one more recording.